What's good, YouTube? Shit, just another POV, man. Just another POV. Stuck in this stupid traffic. Stupid traffic, dealing with stupid people. Shoot, and they done made me mad at the damn dealership, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Man, and people be wondering why they can't sell no cars, bro. You can't have no bad attitude. I'm serious, bro. Seriously. And make matters worse. You know, I understand, you know, actually before I even say anything, you know, I understand from a certain, from a standpoint, you know, their standpoint on point of view of things. You know, a lot of people do come in, depending on the area, and just do test drives only. You know what I'm saying? They don't want to buy nothing. Or they can't buy nothing. They just want to test drive. You know what I'm saying? And that's cool. That's what you're there for, bro. People can test drive shit. You don't know. You don't know if they got the money for it or not. I mean, even if they don't have the money for it, they can still test drive, bro, without being judged. Shoot, dealerships just got it all wrong, man. All twisted. All twisted, bro. They got it all twisted, man. Shoot. Getting the attitude because I want to see the Camaro SS. Just craziness, bro. Craziness. Long story short, just sum it up real quick. Want to see the Camaro SS. You know, of course I'm not buying it because I don't want no SS. I just want to see it because I saw it on Car Gurus. He can't even get it out of his dude. He gonna ask me, and what? Dude, what do you mean, and what? Show me the car. What the heck? That was already the first red flag. Like, dude, why am I coming to a dealership if I'm... Let me slow down. I got kids over here. Let me chill. But yeah, man. They are tripping, dude. What do you mean, and? Show me the Camaro. Check the Camaro, start up, it's cool, it's red, got the, you know, the peanut butter seats, the brown interior, whatever they call it, whatever Chevy calls that interior color. Anyway, saw that, it's all cool and all that, but, you know, I wasn't interested in it. It was like, okay, yeah, it's cool, it's all right. That's all you think is all right? Anyway, got mad, say, all right, thanks for coming out. You know what I'm saying? That's cool. It's not the, you know, I understand people say, oh, he doing that so you won't waste his time and all that good stuff, but that's fine though, man. But you don't know. You don't know I could have been a potential buyer. You know, you can't just treat everybody like that, thinking they're just gonna pull your chain and they just want to test drive, and you know, you can't do that, bro. For both sides, you know what I'm saying? And but in my understanding though too, people should be allowed to test drive or look at a car with an intent to buy or without an intent to buy, just to look at it. They should be able to do that. What are y'all around for? Everybody don't have to buy a car every time they come in. Shoot, they can come and look, scope the scene out, window shopper, whatever you want to call it. Man, it's just the audacity of some dealerships. Some dealers, I'm not gonna say all dealerships. It was just the first one I've been to with a bad attitude. I'm like, good grief, man. You have to go ahead and shut this thing down for the day, bro. I mean, then on top of that too, it wasn't even that many people in there. I mean, few people in there. Shoot, they probably got bad reviews too on Google. Just bad attitude. Oh, man, just bad, bro. But I did test drive. There was a Scat Pack wide body, so I got to test drive a Scat Pack wide body for the first time. It was a cool experience. You know, it's pretty planted, grounded to the, you know, suspension is pretty nice on it too. I do like the U-Connect on there. The quality has definitely improved. The whole drive mode is, man, I mean, you would think it's 4K HD. I mean, it look real good, man. That's all I can say. It look real good. But yeah, it was a nice car. They wanted about like what, 44,000 or something like that for it, and then it had like 44,000 miles. Had the red interior, you know, the red Alcantaras, man. Black on black outside. Oh, ooh, did not see that speed bump. Black on black exterior, then a red and black interior. It was real nice, bro. Exhaust sound, you know, I can't say that too. You know, it's also been I mean, I would say like conspiracy, but you know, it's like what people been talking about a lot of, or before they have talked about before, and with the different tones of the exhaust on the Scat Packs between each year model. Like, dude, I can definitely say that thing sounded a lot, I want to say like I think a little bit deeper than mine's sound. I think mine's a little bit more on the the raspier side a little bit, but also deep at the same time with the burbles and pops. Because man, I thought this thing in track, it's doing all that. It's nice though, no doubt. It's very nice. I like it. I really want to test drive a SRT Jeep, you know, with that all-wheel drive. I want to check that out. 485 horsepower, all-wheel drive instead of spinning and you just launching from light to light. Oh man, that's I already know the Trackhawk is crazy. I already know it is. I never driven a Hellcat or a Trackhawk yet, but I can already just picture in my mind it's gonna be insane. Shoot, I get one of those, bro. I'm gonna be driving with just one hand. I'm gonna drive with two for sure, especially with a Trackhawk. It's launching hard like that. Oh yeah, buddy. You definitely gonna need both hands on the steering wheel and turn that traction off. Well, I mean like Hellcat, but you know, with the Trackhawk, you can take that off. Or I don't know, can you even turn off the traction on a Trackhawk? You probably can. I think I've seen somebody do some donuts on try to do donuts with a Trackhawk before. But yeah. Yep. But that's that rush hour traffic we in right now, man. Rush hour traffic. People on bull right now. No, I know I probably said this multiple times, but man, I'm curious though, bro. Do y'all drive in track mode? Do you drive in track mode? Whoever's watching, I'm talking to you. Do you drive in track mode? Or if you have one, that is. You know, if you have a Scat Pack or not, or Hellcat. You know, do you like to drive in track, or are you a fan of sport mode? I think they both pretty good in my opinion, but I still keep getting myself on that track mode. Is man. Track mode too fun, I ain't gonna lie. I mean, the exhaust, it really wakes up the exhaust, no doubt, bro. It really does, man. Then we got a Camaro behind me too. He wanna try to sneak up on me. Not sneaky at all, bro, but y'all on my ass. Go in and smoke him real quick. Man, I wish I had turned the camera on a lot sooner when I was racing. No, I mean, when they raced, it was just that Mustang I'm talking about again. I know I said in the previous video, but it was a little Mustang GT 4.6. I wasn't even paying no mind until he was taking off at the light. I'm like, oh, okay. He got a V8, huh? It sounded pretty good too, though, bro. I can't lie. The 4.6 sound good, man. What the hell? What the hell they got on top of that car? Oh, that's a ladder. What the fuck? That Camaro don't want none, boy. You don't want none, buddy. Stick to what you know. Stick to what you know, good buddy. Whole time I need to figure out what I'm gonna eat though, bro. Hungry. Come on, y'all. Why? So I'm surprised Infinity cruising like that. Most time they be speeding ain't ass off. I'm telling you, they be burn, Oh, them straight pipe Infinities, boy. Dude, you just hogging the dang on lane, dude. You ain't even going, not even going straight. And now you all in. Get out my lane. Dang. On my dang on lane. Dang, you can't drive in 2 lanes, bro. You just can't. Dang. Oh, that's that Uzi. I was playing at the Lucifer. The Lucifer. Fucking Mustang. You see me driving back here, buddy. You see me driving back here, good buddy. I don't know if that's the police or not. Nah, it probably ain't, but shoot, I'm still gonna be cruising. Shit. Ain't trying to have y'all on my bumper. And then whole time too, bro, I was supposed to be washing my car today, man. So tell me why when I went to the car wash too, it's packed. Ain't no stalls available, bro. None of the stalls. Everybody washing their car. Aren't you supposed to be at work today? Holy macaroni and cheese. Holy macaroni, cheese, eggs, and bacon. God damn. Y'all supposed to be at work, man. I think I'm about to wash my car. I got all the supplies I needed. Nope, can't wash it. It's always something. It's always something. Here we go. Got one of these people want to beg for shit, man. Boop boop. Raise my windows up. Start begging for money. Then people be sick and stuff too. You know that COVID and stuff going around, bro. I ain't having it, bro. I'm not having it. That back now. Gotta keep my GoPro cool and collected. Probably gonna turn y'all off in a hot minute. Ain't too much of nothing going on, man. Plus I want to conserve my battery too, just in case I do get some action. But yeah, gotta keep it short, sweet. You know, some action here and there, or something going on. You know, somebody had a problem with one of my videos. Talking about, oh man, this is boring. You uploaded this video. Hey man, a video is a video. Watch it. Don't, bro. Shoot, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna still upload my videos regardless, bro, boring or not. Shoot, you gotta be consistent always, bro. I'm gonna be consistent for sure. It's boring or not, I'm gonna be sitting there just talking about nothing. So I'm driving my scat pack. I don't care. Somebody gonna watch it. Somebody gonna watch it and leave a like on the video. If not, I'm gonna do it myself. But all right, appreciate y'all for watching. I'm out. Turn y'all back on if something happen.